Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase 9Mail WooCommerce email template customizer plugin for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will direct this type of product page. And we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license key. So you can update any product from your WordPress dashboard. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically we have lots of popular WordPress themes and plugins. You can explore it. Okay, so here we will explain you these things and about this product. So uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin with our original license key in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, and other information. Okay, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will provide you the direct we will provide you installation in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video, and if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.